Is it time to buy or sell RCAT Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into RCAT Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of October, 2024, our system has categorized RCAT Holdings as Hold Accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 138.56% since we initially advised purchasing RCAT Holdings 19 days ago. This results in an average return of 7.29% per day since it was classified as Hold Accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are currently unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it may fluctuate in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. If there is any pullback, support will now be found at the broken level of $4.36, presenting a possible second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 59.52% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 30.66% to negative 4.68%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a remarkable change of 5,018.04% over the next year, with potential returns between 1,569.6% and 2,330.13%. This translates to a price range of $121.88 to $177.40 after a year. Our latest daily update for RCAT Holdings includes the headline, Significant Movements in RCAT Holdings Incorporated Stock Price on Thursday, with a fluctuation of nearly 20% between high and low. The stock price of RCAT Holdings Incorporated experienced a gain of approximately 14.6% on the last trading day Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, increasing from $6.37 to $7.30. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated nearly 20%, reaching a low of $6.56 and a high of $7.86. Notably, the price has risen on 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by over 100% in the past 2 weeks. However, trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 15 million shares exchanged for around $106,900,000. It's important to consider that declining volume amidst rising prices could indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.86, while the lowest was 52.5 cents. Currently, the price is 7.12%, or 56 cents, below the 52-week high, and 40.16%, or $4.90, below the all-time high recorded on the 1st of August, 2019, when the price reached $12.20. RCAT Holdings, trading under the symbol RCAT, has recently made a noteworthy announcement regarding a major accomplishment. The company has secured a production selection for the U.S. Army's Short-Range Reconnaissance Program. This decision represents the culmination of an extensive competitive process positioning the Teal system as the Army's program of record for small unmanned aircraft systems. The implications for RCAT's stock price are significant, as this contract could substantially enhance revenue forecasts, potentially projecting an increase of up to $79 million next year. This sets the company up for strong growth, particularly given their projected base revenue of $50 to $55 million for 2025, in contrast to just $18.9 million for the preceding year. Additionally, RCAT has gained considerable visibility since being included in the Russell Microcap Index, with its share price having surged over 100% due to new institutional investments. Beyond military contracts, RCAT is also expanding its international presence, having secured contracts to supply its FlightWave Edge systems to the Royal Australian Navy, further diversifying its revenue streams. In the short term, these developments could improve market sentiment and drive stock price appreciation. In the long term, consistent government contracts combined with strategic partnerships in the drone technology sector can provide a robust foundation for sustained financial growth, making RCAT an intriguing prospect for investors. Analysts have assigned RCAT Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for RCAT Holdings. RCAT Holdings Incorporated has received buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal resulting from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of $5.12 and $3.62. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 25, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 171.38%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close observation of the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals that might capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 158 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 116 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 170 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for RCAT Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.37. With no support from accumulated volume beneath this level, the risk is elevated, as a drop below this support could lead to a significant decrease in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The extensive prediction interval suggested by the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.30 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of nearly 20%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of approximately 17.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for RCAT Holdings, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key metric reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could point to risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on December 20th, 2024. Analysts have a consensus estimate of a loss of 8 cents per share. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for RCAT Holdings. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume indicators to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, RCAT Holdings encounters its first support level at $6.37. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, allowing for the anticipation of a rebound. The combined average rating for RCAT Holdings from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of November, 2024, Mattis George Michael executed an insider sale of 1,763 shares of common stock. On the same day, Lunger Leah conducted an insider sale of 34,478 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 1st of September 2024, Mattis George Michael sold 10,000 shares of common stock. On the 8th of August 2024, Lunger Leah sold 109,050 shares of common stock. Just 2 days later, on the 10th of August 2024, Lunger Leah sold 24,585 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 59.275. In total, insiders purchased 6,090,847 shares and sold 1,283,556 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.11, reflecting a decrease of 2.66%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 periods, is at 92, further elevating this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is RCAT Holdings stock a good buy? RCAT Holdings Inc. exhibits several positive signals. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is better viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may wish to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of November, we anticipate that RCAT Holdings will open lower by 6 cents, starting at a price of $7.24. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.